Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another LeetCode problem. The problem is sliding window maximum. You are given an array of integers, nums. There is a sliding window of size k which is moving from the very left of the array to the very right. You can only see the k numbers in the window. Each time the sliding window moves right by one position. So we should return the max of sliding window. For example, let's take this array and the window size k equal to 3. So in the first iteration, the sliding window will have 1, 3, minus 1. So out of these three elements, 3 is maximum. So max in the first iteration is 3. In the second iteration, the sliding window will be 3 minus 1 minus 3. So 3 is maximum. In the third iteration, the sliding window contains minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. So 5 is the maximum. In the fourth iteration, the elements in the sliding window are minus 3, 5, 3. 5 is maximum. So max is 5. So in the fifth iteration, 5, 3, 6. 6 is maximum. In the seventh iteration or sixth iteration, 3, 6, 7 are the elements in the sliding window. So out of 3, 6, 7, 7 is the max, 7. So the output for this array with the window size 3 will become 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7. So now what we have to do is we should design a function that takes two arguments. One is an array of integers and the sliding windows of size k. And then we should return the max of sliding window. Okay. Now let's start designing the function. For that, let's go here and then const sliding window is the function which takes two arguments. One is array and then size of sliding window. Now inside this, initialize an array result with empty. Okay, initialize an empty array to store the maximum values from each window. Okay, let's initialize with empty array, and then now let's loop through all possible starting positions for windows of size k. The condition here is I plus k less than or equal to nums dot length ensures we don't go out of bounds. Okay, for that let's take for loop I equal to 0, and then the condition here is I plus k, and then less than or equal to nums dot length. Okay, this ensures we don't go out of bounds. Okay, this condition ensures we don't go out of bounds, and then I plus plus. Okay, inside for loop, what we have to do is let's initialize max with. Okay, let's initialize max with the first element of current window. Okay, the first element of current window. Okay, and then let's take another for loop. Okay, let's take another for loop to find out the max from the current window. Okay, for that let j equal to I, j less than k plus I. Okay, j less than k plus I. This condition is to check or to for the window spans from the index I to I plus k minus 1. That is k elements total. This is to loop through the window elements. Okay, j less than k plus I and then j plus plus. So inside for loop, what we have to do is we should simply check for the condition, that is the current element is greater than the our current max. Okay, if it is, we simply update the max. Okay, nums of j greater than max, what we have to do is we should simply update the max equal to nums of j. Okay, this continues for all elements of array, and then at the end what we have to do is, at the end of this for loop, what we have to do is we should simply push the max of current iteration, that is current window, to array, that is result array, result dot push max. So this is in iteration inside our main for loop. So once we are done with all iterations of outer for loop, we'll get max of all sliding windows. Okay, after that what we have to do is we should simply return result which contains maximum values for all windows, which contains maximum values for all windows. Now let me show you, or let me run this program with sample input. Okay, for that const nums equal to 1 comma 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 3 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6 7. This is the array, and then let's call sliding window function with window size 3. Okay, console dot log sliding window, and then pass array, that is nums comma window size of 3. Let's run and then see the output. See, you see, this is what if you look at here, this is what the output, right? Expected output. So now let's see for the second example as well, what it gives. From here, const nums, and then let's call sliding window function the second array. Okay, here nums1, sorry. Okay, and then size of k is 1. Look at here, window size is 1. Okay, now let's see what is the output for the second array. See here, 1. It's expected, right? So this is all about the sliding window maximum LeetCode problem. This is the solution for this LeetCode problem. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more technical videos. Thanks for watching.